how it is. We try to handle biz and make moves in this land where the power lives, where they devour kids and acts of cowardice rule from a tool of violence and a shrouded bliss. I try to release my malice and develop my inner peace in a place so callous. Maybe y'all go to Angola or the Gold Coast and blow smoke with the old folks, cause they know most.
Capture the cultured pearls, jewels and gems. It's a treasure hunt to stimulate your medulla stem. The furthest reaches are within your clutches. Concrete covered countries to the most verdant regions, virgin territories, those exposed to man-made woes. They know them high roads, electrified with lectures. Collect respect and ride on, before you even notice I'm gone.
Go to Saigon, Singapore, Sicily. They consider me epitome in Italy. Hit Libya, India, Morocco. I go